Dictation number 135. We ready? Start. Now, sir, I know that this plan has just started and it is perhaps too early for us to say anything about it, full stop. But we have before us the experience of the 9 5-year plans, full stop. Sir, we had been told that due importance would be attached not merely in words but by practical steps to the public sector, full stop. I think in this connection, it was the duty of the Honorable Minister to have explained to this House as to the steps that had been taken with a view to bringing about the kind of reorientation in favor of the public sector which was promised in his numerous statements, full stop. But I find that is completely missing from his speech, comma, except that a pious wish has been expressed with regard to this particular sector of our industry, full stop para. Previously, we had under the purview of this act about 42 industries, full stop. Now the list has lengthened and a number of industries will be added, full stop. I concede that when we are having a planned economy, when we are thinking in terms of rapid development of industries, of rapid industrialization, it is necessary for the government to come into the picture more and assume the necessary control and direction of industries, full stop. I am not opposed to it at all, full stop. On the contrary, I would like them to vigorously act in this matter, but that is not enough, full stop. We must examine as to whether the direction, regulation, or whatever you call it is on the right lines, how it has worked, full stop. We have got such general statements from the ministers that they do not throw much light for us laymen on the matter, full stop. I wish that when such measures are brought before the House, a kind of white paper or whatever you call it is circulated among the members, full stop. You do not expect that we laymen in this House would easily understand these things until and unless we have some opportunities of studying the relevant data and the material on the subject, full stop. We have been denied those opportunities and I regret that we have been so denied, full stop. I know that in this respect, honorable members who come from big business or the business world would be in a somewhat advantageous position because they are familiar with the working of this act in a way which would enable them to speak more effectively, full stop para. Now let us see how this has worked, full stop. I know that when this measure was first brought before the House several years ago, there was much opposition to it which came not from the public but from certain business interests, full stop. They did not like any kind of government interference in industry, full stop. They believed in a kind of laissez-faire in this matter and they thought that if the government came into the picture their interests would suffer, full stop. Naturally, they were openly hostile to these kinds of powers for the government, but that was not the view of the country, full stop. I think that by and large public opinion was in favor of government controlling industries, not the type of control that we had at the time of the World War, but a type of control which sets before itself certain objectives, and as the objectives became clearer and clearer, as the government pronounced itself more and more in favor of industrialization in the country, public opinion strongly veered around that particular point of view of the government in this matter, which that government should have control over our industries, full stop. But it is the government which has not lived up to its promises, full stop. I think that in some respects that have let the people down, and the expectations of the people have been belied, full stop para. Now take for instance the period between 2011 when the measure was first adopted and now, full stop. What do we see? Question mark. We do not have compact figures for the entire period, full stop. We have got only certain figures with regard to this matter, full stop. I would refer only to the progress reports on the 11th 5-year plan, full stop. There you will see that the government had not taken any very effective steps for the development of the public sector, full stop. It is true that certain steel mills got going under the 11th 5-year plan, and more will be started under the 12th plan, but if you look at the picture, you will find that the public sector was considered to be a secondary matter, full stop. It was the private sector which got all the attention and assistance of the government, full stop. I am not at all suggesting that government was totally unmindful of the public sector, full stop. What I am saying is that when the government entered into the picture, it did not give to the public sector the attention that it deserved, full stop. I think that the Honorable Minister owes us an explanation not only as to why such a thing happened, but also as to what steps he is going to take with a view to changing the pattern of such development, full stop, overall.